Watch the video till the very end and you guys will get bitcoins worth as 50 rupees, and I will provide my handwritten notes on blockchain. So let's dive into the video. Hey beautiful people, this is Akshat Sengar, and in today's video we are going to talk about blockchain technology. What is blockchain technology, how it works, and what would be the future of blockchain technology. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what is blockchain technology. So it is a technology used to store data in a decentralized manner. Now you will say, what is centralized and decentralized system? So imagine you guys are playing cricket and there's a kid around the corner. He is eating his ice cream and you guys go to him and ask him to count the scores for you, and he agrees. After some time, he finishes his ice cream and a friend of yours goes to him and gives him another ice cream and asks him to change the scores for him. Now he can change the score if he wants, because he has authority over data. So in centralized system, there is a system or a person who has authority over data and he can play with your data if he wants. Before moving ahead into the video, let's talk about today's sponsor, which is CoinSwitch, and they are giving away bitcoins for this 50 rupees. So if you also want the bitcoins, you can sign up from the link below. And let's get ahead into the video. Now let's talk about decentralized system. So if you guys count your scores by your own, and in the end the majority of scores were counted at the final scores, so this is a decentralized system. Here no one has authority over data, but the data is over a network of computers. Now you will say, if the data is over a network of computers, what about my privacy? So just like you have an email address and password and you give your public email address to everyone, there is a block address in every blockchain, and you give your public block address to every computers, not your private data. So this makes it the most secure system in the world. Now you will be curious, what is block address and all these things. As its name suggests, it is a chain of blocks, and every block contains three main elements. Number one, data. Number two, hash, which is a unique fingerprint of that block. And number three, hash of previous blocks. So this is how blockchain is formed. Now, if anyone wants to change the data of any block, the hash of that block changes, and the computers on that network who don't have any data of that hash reject that query, and that makes the system immutable. That means data of any block can never be changed. Now if anyone wants to change the data of any block, you have to change the data from 51% of the computer on that network, which is next to impossible. So that make blockchain unhackable, means no one can hack any blockchain. Now you'll be wondering how new blocks are added to that blockchain. So whenever a new transaction happens, a new block is added to that blockchain, and in order to add that block, the miners, or you can say the computers connected on that network, have to solve some questions, and the computer who solved the question very first gets some reward, and in the chain of Bitcoin, it is the Bitcoin itself. So this is how the new bitcoins are formed, and this process is called Bitcoin mining. But it is very much energy consuming, and it consumes around 120 terawatt hour energy per year, which is 0.5% of global energy production, and it will increase 2 degrees Celsius global warming by the year 2050. Now let's talk about what is the future of blockchain. So currently it has been used in cryptocurrencies, but it could be used in medical sector, in elections, and in education systems as well, and it can revolutionize the way of data storage. Nowadays a lot of companies are shifting from cloud storage to blockchain, and I also think that it would be the future of data storage. I hope you liked this video, and if you really like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.